So, good morning, guys. Today we are going to see design and implementation of adder and subtractor using logic gates. Right here, we are designing and construct of a half adder, full adder, half subtractor, and full subtractor circuit. And using that, we are going to verify the truth table using logic gates, right? So in the last session we discussed about half adder and half subtractor, right? So in this session we are going to discuss about full adder circuit, right? So how to construct the full adder circuit using logic gates, and we are going to verify the truth table using our practical session, right? So here the components required for this whole experiment is one IC trainer kit, XOR gate, NOT gate, OR gate, AND gate, and some patch cards, right? So what is a full adder, right? So if you want to add 2 bit, right? So if you want to add 2 bit, half adder is sufficient, right? So the input of adder will be 2 input A and B, and output will be sum and carry. Okay, and for full adder, if you want to add 3 input, right? If you add 3 inputs, say like A, B, C, right? So A plus B plus C, right? So 3 input. So here the output will be sum and carry, sum and carry. So because of 3 input, right? So these are the combinations, these are the combinations. So 0 0 0, right? So 0 plus 0 plus 0. So for that, sum is 0 and carry also 0. If you add 0 plus 0 plus 1, my sum will be 1 and carry is 0. And 0 plus 0, sorry, plus 1 and plus 0, my sum will be 1 and carry will be 0, right? So likewise, these are the combinations from starts from 0 0 0 to 1 1 1, right? These are the outputs for example, if it is a 1 plus 1 plus 1, right? So my sum is 1 and carry also 1, right? So these are the possible combinations. There will be 8 combinations will be there. This is starts from 0 to 7, right? So here first we have to, using this truth table, we have to do the K-map simplification, right? So the K-map simplification will be, first we have to draw the logic diagram for sum and carry, right? Here 3 input K-map. So here this is the 3 input K-map, right? A, B, C in. This is for sum, right? For 0 0 0, how I can write this one? For 0 0 0, my sum is 0. 0 0 1, my sum is 1. 0 1 0, my sum is 1. Like that I am filling the K-map table, right? So A, B, C, it's a 0 0 0, my sum is 0. 0 0 1, my sum is 1, right? For input 0 1 1, my sum is 0. Likewise I have to fill the K-map for sum, right? So here there is no possible to mapping, right? There is no possible to mapping. So all are having it's like a checkboard, right? It is called a checkboard, right? So the sum expression is C XR A XR B, C XR A XR B. And for carry, and for carry, likewise carry, here also this is a 3 input. For 0 0 0, my carry is 0, and except that carry 1 1 1 and 1 1 0 1 0 1 and 0 1 1, all other output for carry is 0, right? So for this also we are making K-map. See, this is A B C, right? This is for carry 0 0 0 0 0 0 1, my carry is 0, and 0 1 1, my carry is 1, and 0 1 0, my carry is 0. Likewise I have to fill it, and these are the possible mapping, right? This one and this one, and the third combination will be like this, right? So here first take this combination. If you take this combination, this is a so this is complement, right? C is B is complement, so AC I will get it, right? So AC in, here it is AC in, right? And for this combination, this is a third combination, right? So again it is C will be the complement, so I will get B, so AB, right? So AB plus AC in, and another combination, this one, right? Vertical combination. Here I can write this A or complement, so this will get cancelled, so BC in, so BC in, so right? So this is a carry expression, AB plus AC in plus BC in, right? So this is the logic diagram. Here I am having a 3 input A, B, C in, right? So here what are the gates are required? XOR is gate is required, and here AND gate is required to multiply AB, right? And OR gate also required. Okay, so these are all XOR gate, right? AND gate, right? And OR gates, right? So like this we can implement the logic diagram, and we can verify the truth table. So there is a one more method. We are using full adder using two half adders, right? So this part is one of the half adder, and this is also one of the half adder, right? These are the two half adders, right? So two half adders. So here I am using 27486 gate and 2 AND gate and 1 OR gate, so these are the input ABC, 3 inputs. So this is my sum and this is my carry, right? So now I rigged up this circuit, right? Full adder using two half adders. I rigged up a circuit, and we are going to verify the truth table. Okay. Yes, here as per the logic diagram I given a connection, right? So these are all inputs, right? This is A, B, C. These are all the input, and output will be, it's a carry and a sum. First one is carry and second one is sum, and power supplies plus 5 volt and ground. I given 7486 IC and 7408 AND gate IC and 743T. This is the OR gate IC, right? Now we are going to verify it, right? So first combination, it's 0 0 0, my sum is 0, carry also 0, right? See here 0 0 0, here 0 0 0, and sum is 0, carry is 0. And next one, for 0 0 1, my sum is 1, carry is 0, right? For 0 0 1, my sum is 1, right? This is my sum, this is my carry, right? And next combination, we will check 1 1 1, right? If it is a 1 1 1 as my input, my output will be sum is 1, carry is 1, right? For 1 1 1, right? For 1 1 1, my sum is 1 and carry is 1. So likewise we can verify the truth table. We will check one more possible inputs. We can check like 1 0 0, right? So 1 0 0, 1 0 0, 1 0 0, right? My output will be 0 1, right? So sum is 0. So for 1 0 0, for 1 0 0, my sum is 1 and carry is 0. My sum is 1 and carry is 0. So likewise we can verify all combinations of truth table using this logic diagram, right? So thank you. In the next session we will see full subtractor.